Am I ever gonna get there? Am I ever gonna get there? Am I ever gonna get there?
So we are starting this video on a blank canvas. This is what the space looks like so far, and we are going to be decorating this room and just refreshing it for spring to summer 2026. So stay tuned as I show you guys all the new stuff we have. If you watched this space before, I'm sure you know that something is new, and I'm gonna take you guys on that journey today. So please stay tuned and enjoy the video.
I guess we'll see.
Before we dive in, a portion of this video is in collaboration with Hula Home, a company that believes a home is more than just a space. They create unique and timeless furniture that balances beauty, comfort, and functionality. I cannot wait to show you guys the full details of what I got from them. I am also going to be highlighting a decor company called My Dazzling Decor, owned by a creator just like me. She sent me so many amazing pieces, but for today's video, we will be highlighting two of those pieces, which are the pillow covers and the florals. We are going to be glamming up the space, and so I will be using these two items to glam up the space. And stay tuned for the next video where I would highlight every single one of the items I got from them.
Yes, we'll see. 'Cause I'm doing all I can.
Hello my loves, my name is Dede and welcome to Dede's Home Interior. On this channel, I do home decorating ideas, inspiration, and some organization. I also strive to show you how to create those high-end looking homes on a budget. If that is something that sparks your attention, you are definitely in the right place. Please sit back, relax, stay tuned, and keep on watching.
Found the strength to keep running every day.
Well, I think I owe you guys an explanation because I've been missing in action. I disappeared and now I'm appearing again. Life has been lifing. It's not been that easy. Life has been very busy for me. You know, I'm a full-time nurse, I'm a full-time mom, and I'm a full-time wife, and I own a side business as well. So it can be a little crazy, but let me tell you, I'm here and I'm probably here to stay. I am also fully aware that most of you here are just here for the decor inspiration and not to get bored with my personal life. So I'm not going to bore you with all of that. I'm going to jump right into why we are here, which is the decor and all the inspiration that you can get for today's video. Let me introduce to you guys the Hula Home Veritas 360-degree rotating electric adjustable standing desk. I choose the oak color because it matches my home design and aesthetics. I work from home and I also have a business, and one thing I do not compromise is coziness and comfort. I always found myself taking my laptop to the bed, and so when I got the option to get this desk, I was so excited because I knew that it was going to serve its purpose. I love this desk because it features a lot of storage. You can use it either on the right side or on the left side, and I really love all the storage that it has to offer. It is very modern and chic, and it creates a very elevated and clean space, given that it has ample storage for all your messy needs. It also comes with this storage solution and charging port system, which I love a lot. You could hide all the cables in here, making it very modern, minimalist, and clean. That alone is a plus for me and my bedroom that I love keeping very minimalistic and simplistic. I really love the smooth height control as it features electric adjustment, which allows easy movement between sitting and standing throughout the day. It has 3 memory presets, and a built-in sedentary reminder which helps support healthier routines by reminding you to stand or sit periodically. I am in love with that feature. This electrical adjustable height feature is a game changer, and for people who live a healthy lifestyle, you will definitely love this. Now, my most used feature and my most loved feature here is the 360 rotating feature. This 360-degree rotating side desktop creates a second surface for dual monitors, planning, reading, or collaboration. It creates flexible work zones, which I really love. As someone who prioritizes functionality and comfort, I love that I don't need to buy a traditional office chair to use my Veritas desk. I can use my comfortable swivel chair and make everything work out and still be very productive. This makes me very happy because I get to save money on buying an office desk and still get that comfort and functionality all in one. Thank you so much, Hula Home, for sending this desk my way and for listening to the voice of the people, making a desk that is not just beautiful but also very functional. I will be linking this desk and all the details on sales, discounts down below if there is any for you to check it out. I promise you will not be disappointed. It is time for us to talk about my Dazzling Decor US. This is a woman of color owned, a creator owned, a black owned business. She is a creator just like me and has taken her time to curate amazing decor pieces that are also on a budget. If you love my style, then you would love to shop on this site. I would link every detail down below for you to check out. Let me tell you, you will not be disappointed. If you like the modern, elevated, luxury, glamorous decoration, you are definitely in the right place. Look at how full and realistic these cherry blossom stems look. They are also very long. You can choose to fold them and use them however you want. I am so excited for Elizabeth at my Dazzling Home Decor. I would link her channel and her website down below for you to check out. I hope you enjoy all the pieces as much as I do. I have a lot of them, but I will show you just 2 in today's video. I cannot wait to hear your thoughts when you visit her channel and also visit her website. Let her know I sent you.
noise, oh my. But you opened my eyes, yeah, the story of hope began that night. Without a clue of what's coming next, was I guided by hands I couldn't see? Was it written somewhere, part of a plan? I have these thoughts in my head. Can you make it make sense? How a heart can burn with joy, then suddenly feel cold. Still I trust there's more to know. Feels like my head's underwater, but you're there at the surface, lifting me through the doubt. Can you make it make sense? How a heart can heal again when the fire never ends.
Do you remember that night, you and me in the dark? The rain was pouring outside. Days turned into months, but I felt your hand. I knew I would be alright, without a clue of what's coming next. But you're still leading with each and every step. Is it written somewhere, a part of your plan? I have these thoughts in my head.
Can you make it make sense? How a heart can burn with joy, then suddenly feel cold. Still I trust there's more to know. Feels like my head's underwater, but you're there at the surface, lifting me through the doubt. Can you make it make sense? How a heart can heal again when the fire never ends. I know this love is forever, and I feel you changing me. Now it's all in your hands.
How could I love someone who once felt like a stranger? Still I believe in your plan.
Even when it doesn't make sense.
Makes sense how a heart can burn with joy, then suddenly feel cold. Still I trust that